Hello wonderful people, you are welcome back to Adorable Kitchen. I'm going to share with you my recipe for shrimp fried rice. Here I have my already washed rice. Here I have some cleaned raw shrimps. Here I have some chopped carrots or diced carrots. I also have some frozen peas. Here I have some spices. I have bay leaves, thyme, rosemary, curry powder, fried rice spice, and Knorr seasoning cube. So this is the brand of fried rice seasoning I have. I got this from Nigeria. And here I have our cooking oil. I also have some blended ginger, garlic, turmeric, and onions mixture. The last but not the least is my goat meat stock. Okay, so I'll be making use of this goat meat stock in this recipe. So the first thing to do is to transfer the stock inside your cooking pot. Next, I added the blended ginger, garlic, turmeric, hot pepper, onion mixture. Next, I poured in my seasonings, cover and let it come to a boil. When it came to a boil, I transferred my already washed rice into the stock. In case you are making a large quantity of rice and the stock you have is not enough, you may consider adding just water just to add to the quantity of fluid you are using. You don't want the rice to be soggy, so be careful, don't add too much water. I did not parboil this rice, I just washed the rice. Let me just show you how I did that. So I just soaked the rice in warm water, okay, for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I started washing the rice. I washed the rice several times. I rubbed them in between my palms and I poured the water. I did this for about 4 to 5 times until the water coming out from the rice became very clear. You can see through the water. So that was how I washed this rice. I did not parboil the rice. So transfer the rice into the pot, stir everything together, cover and cook on medium to low heat. My reason of covering the rice with a foil paper is to steam the rice and to help the heat to remain inside the pot so that the steam can cook and make the rice soft. That was the reason I used a foil paper. So while I was waiting for the rice to become soft, I went ahead to prepare my shrimp and my vegetables. So I added a little quantity of oil inside my pot. Next, I added in the shrimps. After frying the shrimps for about 3 to 5 minutes, I flipped it on the other side so it could cook evenly on the other side. Next, I shifted all the shrimps to one side and I sauteed my onions using some of the oil left in the pan. For proper seasoning, I added some more seasoning cubes and salt inside the shrimps and the onions, and I mixed everything together. This is just to make the shrimp have a very good taste. Finally, I poured in my diced carrots and my frozen vegetables, that is my frozen peas. I mixed everything together, and you guys already know the drill. We don't want to overcook the vegetables, so I only let the vegetables stay there for about 1 minute, and I turned off the heat. This was after about 15 to 20 minutes. The rice became very soft. So guys, remember the two things I did here. I cooked this rice. I literally steamed this rice. Okay, I steamed this rice using a very low heat, and I covered with my foil paper to retain the heat so that the rice would cook. So those are the key things you need to do: low heat and cover with a foil paper. So that is why I achieved this grainy texture. My rice is not soggy at all. So the final thing is just to combine everything together. Guys, as you can see, my pan got burnt. Okay, I left it to attend to my baby, and before I could get back, it was almost burning. But that is a story for another day. So guys, finally just give everything a good stir and test to see if you need to add any salt or pepper, but mine was perfectly okay at this stage, and I just gave it a very good mix. So this is the end result. Okay, this is how everything looks like now. I paired this rice with my grilled tilapia fish. If you haven't seen that recipe yet, please be sure to check it out. Okay, you can click the link you see on the screen right now, or you can click the end screen. That was what I paired with this rice, and it was just so good. It was just so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Click that button that says subscribe, and please also turn on your notification, that is the bell icon by the side, so that whenever I put up a new video, you will be notified that there is a new video here, okay, for you to watch. Thank you so much for all your support. God bless you. I appreciate you. Have a nice day and continue to stay safe. Bye.